You could apply effects to objects in Adobe Captivate 9 to create some nice animations and transitions. Let's see how simple it is to apply effects to objects in Adobe Captivate. Let's first go ahead and add an object and go and draw a shape here. With this object on the stage, to apply effect, you just have to right-click and select the last option, which says Apply Effect. This will open the timing panel for me. I can go ahead and select effects I need to apply. To see a live preview of the effect, hover over the effect tile, and it will show you how exactly the effect is going to look like. To apply the effect, simply go ahead and click on it, and that effect will be applied to the object. To preview the effect, you can either hit the spacebar, or you can go to the Preview option and select Play Slide. You can also go to the timeline and hit the play button there. Also, you can preview this effect by clicking the play button on the timing panel. If you wish to adjust the timing of this effect, go ahead and click this twisty triangle, and it will allow you to adjust the timing of this effect. You can also apply more than one effect to an object. To apply the next effect, click the plus sign to add the effect. Here, you can select from one of these other effects, or you can switch to any other category. There are 5 different categories of effects available in Captivate. Let's go ahead and check out the emphasis effect. You can hover over the effect to see how it looks like. If you like the effect, go ahead and apply it. Now, both these effects will be applied simultaneously to this particular object. To preview it, let's go ahead and hit play. You can see that while it is flowing, it is also rotating to a particular angle. Also, if you don't like any effect, you can go ahead and select that effect and disable or delete the effect. Now let's explore the other types of effects available in Adobe Captivate. Here, if I want to apply an effect to this text caption, I can go to the timing panel and select one of the entrance effects. I will go ahead and select Entrance, and here I can select Ease in Top, Ease in Bottom, Ease in Right, or Ease in Left. I will go ahead and select Ease in Top here so that it nicely enters the screen and fades in. The best part about these effects is that these effects are completely responsive. You saw that I applied this effect here, but when I go to the tablet portrait mode, you will see that the object size and dimension changes, but the effect remains the same. Similarly, for the mobile view, you will notice that the effect remains the same. If you like the effect, you can go ahead and continue with it, or you can modify this effect on the smaller devices. Maybe for the mobile devices, you want it to ease in from the right. To do that, you can simply drag the end of the arrow and place it to the right. Now let's preview how it looks like. Here you will notice that the effect comes in from the left. But if you go to the desktop mode, the effect that you applied still continues. You can also apply additional effects to different breakpoints, and it will follow the parent-child relationship in the responsive workflow. Also, in Adobe Captivate, you get a lot of motion path effects that you can apply to your objects. Let's go ahead and apply one of the motion paths available for us. I will go ahead and right-click and select Apply Effect again. From the list, I will select Motion Path. Here are 3 new types of motion paths added: Custom Curves, Custom Lines, and Custom Scribbles. Custom Lines will give a straight line. Curves will give you a curvy path, and Custom Scribbles will allow you to scribble a path that will follow along. Along with that, there are these standard motion paths that you have available as a part of the effects. Let's go ahead and apply custom lines to this first circle. I will select that, and then it will allow me to draw the path. I will go ahead and click at the center of the circle, and then I will go ahead and click at the second position. Then I will go and create a zigzag line here. And to end this effect line, I will go ahead and double-click. This will create a custom line path for me. Let's go ahead and play by clicking the play button here. We can see it is moving in a straight line. Let's try the next custom path for the second circle. I will go ahead and select Motion Path, and this time I will select Custom Curves. Let's go ahead and draw the custom curves. I will click at the center of this circle, and then I will click at this position. Unlike the straight lines, as soon as I move from here, it allows me to add a curve to the path. I will go ahead and click here, and then I will make the next curve. And then the next curve. To end this path, I will go ahead and double-click, and this gives me a curvy path. Now let's do the last one. I will go ahead and select this circle, and this time I want to select Motion Path, and then I want to select Custom Scribble. Here it will allow me to draw any path that I want. I will go ahead and scribble some path here, and once I am done, I will go ahead and click it. And here, you can see that it gives you a curvy path. Let's go ahead and play this and see how it plays. You can see that it follows the path that we have defined for the object. You can use one of these paths based on the nature of the object that you are planning to animate. And once again, all the effects that you add in Adobe Captivate are completely responsive. I created the effect on desktop, and it beautifully responds in other layouts as well.